Hello, everybody. Here I go with the best thing you could do for your health. This is a vegetable juice. Even though my shirt says green juice, it looks like it's brown, right? But lo and behold, look at how it looks. It's absolutely amazing and healthy. There's sprouts in here, microgreens. I grow my microgreens that I talk about in all these videos, and then I juice them. And I don't just juice them, taking up half of my day juicing. I use the Nama juicer, and the Nama juicer is the best juicer on the market. It just makes great quality juice. But the amazing thing is, I am so busy. I have children. I have a full-time job and just making videos and just doing other things for work. And I don't have time to be cleaning juices a long time and putting the vegetables in it. With the Nama juicer, you can just put the vegetables right in. It looks like a blender, and you press the button, walk away, and you get this amazing juice. Now, all good things have a cost, right? And the Nama juicer is not an inexpensive juicer. However, they have a Black Friday sale that's starting now. So I'm going to call this black and blue. It's no, black and brown. Brown juice and a Black Friday sale. And if you go to the Nama website and you put in code Paul20, you can get $120 off the Nama juicer right now. $120 off the juicer. Absolutely an amazing deal, and it's only going to last till December 1st. So go to the Nama website. I'm going to put the link below and put code Paul20 when you place your order, and you'll get that discount, $120 off the Nama J2 juicer. Nama makes other juicers. They have other great things, and you can get that same code. You can get their blender/juicer. You can get their different size juice, the travel juicer. The one I recommend is the Nama J2, and the Nama J2 or the combo one of the blender and the juicer. You can get $120 off the Nama J2. Code is Paul20.